And here we are again, restarted the computer just now, and not only will the taskbar down here not go away, but as you can see, I've lost my cursor again. No cursor will appear. You can see I'm tapping, tap, 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 tappy tap, and nothing. This has been the problem for over a year now. It can't even run Microsoft Word, this Microsoft computer, this Microsoft Book 2. Easily the worst computer. I'm trying to highlight all the section here. You can see I'm holding down as I would normally to highlight things. It doesn't do anything. What's interesting, it is actually secretly highlighted. Okay, now it's highlighting. Oh, look, now it'll highlight a line, but not all this stuff. Okay, now if I press delete, it all goes away. So it is highlighted, just doesn't show me it's highlighted, which obviously is pretty aggravating and hard to work with. So there's the cursor. I got it back for a second now. Let's see how long this lasts. Okay. Yeah. Oh no, there it is. Okay, so it came back for a little while. It'll go again in a few seconds, I'm sure. But yeah, it's awesome. The worst computer I've ever used. If I got this thing for a couple $100s on Craigslist, I'd be just fine with this. But I paid over $2,000 for it at Best Buy, and was assured by their Best Buy rarely has actual Best Buy salespeople working. They're usually working for a specific company. And this guy, you have to look at the little emblems on their shirts, on their chests there. And this guy was working for Microsoft and talked about how this was the greatest computer ever. And it is a POC, which stands for piece of, and I'll let you guys fill in the blanks there. But it's a $2,400 piece of garbage.